In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer account ownership in Wrike. Transferring ownership is an important task, especially if you're handing over responsibility to a new admin team lead, or if you're moving to a different role. The account owner in Wrike has access to billing, security, and high-level settings, so it's crucial that this process is done carefully and correctly. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own workspace. First, make sure you're logged into Wrike using the account that currently owns the workspace. You'll need owner-level permissions to see the options we're about to use. Start by moving your cursor to the top left area of your Wrike workspace. Look for your profile icon, which is typically your photo or initials in a small circle. Click on this profile icon. This is where Wrike keeps most of your personal and account-related options, and it's the starting point for accessing your settings. After clicking the profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings. This will open a new page or tab that contains your account configuration options. If you see more than one settings area, don't worry. You might first land on your personal profile settings. On this first settings page, look again for a settings or account settings option that refers to the entire account rather than just your personal profile. Click on that. This will take you to the main account settings area where only owners and certain admins can make changes. Once you're in the account settings page, scroll if necessary and locate the option labeled Transfer Account Ownership. This is the dedicated control for handing over the owner of role to another user in your Wrike account. Click on Transfer Account Ownership. After you click, Wrike will guide you through on-screen prompts. These prompts usually ask you to choose the new owner from a list of existing users in your account and may ask you to confirm your choice, since this is a sensitive action. Read each message carefully, confirm that you've selected the correct person, and follow through until you reach the final confirmation. When you've completed the prompts, Wrike will process the change, and the new owner will receive the corresponding permissions. That's all you need to do to transfer account ownership in Wrike.